Hello folks, this is Mr. McWhorter, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the Introduction to Engineering and Design Honors class here at Pete Knight. During the course this year, students are going to learn about the design process that engineers use, and we're going to learn quite a bit about, we're going to get some practice with 3D modeling, and we're going to learn some cool stuff. While we are distance learning, everything is going to run through Google Classroom. All the assignments we posted there, and that's where we start off with our live classroom meetings. Email is the preferred method of communication if you need to get a hold of me, and we'll keep track of our grades in PowerSchool. Grades are going to be based on assignments and projects that students complete with a regular traditional grading scale. I do encourage students to be able to redo assignments or retake assessments. And my policy with late work is if it's within a week, I'm not going to do a penalty on the grade, but after that, we will do a penalty on the grade, probably about 50%. Google Classrooms, like I said, is where we're going to run the entire class from. Our office hours are 1 to 3 p.m. on weekdays. Students can email me during that time to get immediate individual help. If you have any questions or concerns at all, please feel free to email me, and I'll get back to you with responses. And let's have a great school year together.